Let me give you an example of a business that has given a profound meaning to customer service and that wants to operate for creating a relationship, a good relationship with customers. So I ordered some containers for hydroculture, one of the things that I'm getting passionate about at the moment. When the order arrived, there was one less container that than the one that I paid for. I sent an email and immediately they replied saying, we are very sorry, we're going to send it immediately. 2 days after, the container had arrived. So first of all, they trusted me and they sent the order immediately, the missing container immediately. But when the order arrived, when the container arrived, it wasn't alone in the box because this guy was there too. So they sent me, along with the container, one little hydroculture plant with its own hydroculture container. And I think that's how you create customer loyalty, because I replied to them with an email where I would say, oh my God, thank you, I love it, I'm so touched and moved. And I sent a picture of this guy and it was beautiful. And it's so little. What they did was probably so little in the grand scheme of their own business. But it made such an impact that basically I'm about to make another order with them, of course. And I probably will forever and ever and never consider other companies. So I want to thank them and send them all my love. And for the purpose of this video in my channels, that's the thing. We are designing products, we are designing businesses with them, we are designing our own system and what we design. And what I've been thinking and kind of saying for years is that let's design something that is meaningful. And things like this type of intervention, you get the feeling that this business is made by human beings who care about other human beings, through the products that they make. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.